Dad, wait.
What happened?
Can you go Ryan's house before I go to school? All of that?
Wow. Yes, Tiger.
An apple.
Ooh, they got zero apple too.
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors.
Okay, door locked. Let's go, Tiger.
Dad, wait.
What happened?
Can you go Ryan's house before I go to school?
You want to go Ryan's house? We're going to go to school? Oh, we got to find a secret portal, though. Where's the secret portal at?
On your door.
On my door?
Yeah, come on. Let's go.
Really? You want to go Ryan's house before you want to go to school?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, I think it's right. Go.
Right here? Okay, here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Tiger, I think we're here. Tiger. Whoa! Huh? Where'd Tiger go? Tiger, what happened?
What happened?
We got here.
Wait,
The secret portal got us here.
what's my head to this wall?
This ceiling is low. Okay, Tiger, let's
Hey,
go.
what's this?
I don't know. Let's go. Come on.
Think he was painting his house?
Okay, look. Double check. Is he Ryan's here?
Oh, wait, it's different now.
Oh yeah, different door.
I've never seen these. I hear the TV on.
Okay. Okay. Shh. Go again.
And we are free!
Oh wow. Whoa! Look at this. Oh wow! Look at that. This is nice. Look at the kitchen. Yeah, look at the kitchen. Wow. They got a big kitchen. Wow! Look at they got a nice view, Tiger. Look at that. They got a big backyard. Look at that.
All of that?
Wow. Yes, Tiger.
An apple.
Ooh, they got zero apple too.
Wait, there's more.
Wow, they got silver apple everywhere. Backyard's beautiful. They got big backyard.
Whoa, wait, look, it's outside.
Yeah, you can sit here and eat, Tiger. Let's say you sit and eat. And you got the view, your beautiful view. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, wow. Look at that, Tiger. Wow, look at you can cook us something, Tiger.
What should I cook?
You can cook us
Wait a
something.
minute, look.
Yeah, look at you. You know how to cook it. You cook
And
something.
also they're big.
Oh, wow. That's
I never
awesome.
seen these.
Yeah.
Big. Or
You see, cook.
mix,
Making soup? What are you making?
and then some hamburgers.
Ooh, oh, all right. Hamburger.
Making soup hamburger. And I heard that was a delicious
Oh, look at
recipe.
Baby found Brian's toy. Look.
Wait, what? Ooh.
Look at that. Look at Brian's Toyreview. Baby found it, Tiger. Look. Wow.
I need to put cheese in here.
Okay, put cheese.
And then
Yeah.
now I'm putting cheese.
Oh, wow.
Now I need this. Let's see if it tastes like it.
Taste it. Let's see. Is it good?
That's good.
Mmm.
Now we mix it. All right, here we go. Bingo.
Oh, right. Can we eat it? Let's see. Mmm, that is good. Okay, let's go check out the upstairs. Tiger, let's check out the upstairs.
Ooh.
Yeah. Oh, there's a room back here.
See over here.
There's a room in there, Tiger.
What's this?
Closet.
Another secret door.
Yeah, closet. And there's a room. Look at that. Wow. Tiger, look at that. There's something there, Tiger.
Chest.
Oh,
Wait.
Oh, right up.
Do you see this in the last video? Look, the clock.
Yeah, it is. That's Ryan's clock. And Ryan's sister. Let's go. Tiger, open the chest. Open the chest. Let's see what's in that chest.
I want to open the top of it.
Okay.
I don't know if I got. Wait.
Whoa, there's nothing. Yeah, Tiger, let's go upstairs.
Alright, let's go.
Wow.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Wait. I think I remembered something.
Yeah, this is beautiful up here.
No, Dad, I remember something.
Oh, look, I got gold, Tiger. Oh, we got game. Look.
Oh, it's this.
Oh, wow.
But Dad, I remember.
Oh, there's the ball. Yeah, you get the ball on that side, Tiger.
This is
It's over there. I get this side. No, you go that side. No.
Which
I'll go this side. You go.
Which team do you get? Silver or black?
I get the black and silver.
Silver.
Okay, here you go. Oh, oh, can't get it, Tiger. Oh, you know what? Let's see.
That already broken.
Oh, it is. It's cool, right? Got this. Ready? Here you go. Oh, oh,
No!
come on. No. 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 Okay. Tiger. Yes.
No! Get it, get it, get it, get it!
Yes. I'm the winner.
No, yes.
Yes. I'm the winner. Baby stuff, love it. Yes.
You know you're hitting yours back. This is
No,
your
no,
place.
no, that's not. Oh, this is my place? Oh, that's the wrong way then, huh? Yes. Oh. Yes. There you go. Yeah, I win. One for daddy. Okay.
1 point for you.
One point for daddy.
Retry.
Okay, we try. Last game. Okay, ready? Oh, hang on, baby stuff. Here you go.
3,
Good.
2, 1,
One, go.
How come you can't hit it at the start?
Oh no, wrong way. Yes, yes. Oh. No. This ball is too small, right? You want the X?
Oh, baby, set this on my side.
Okay, here you go. Okay, here we go. You want to go first? Yeah, let's go first. You go first. Tiger.
Yeah, X goes first.
Okay, I go first then. You want to go first or you want to go first? Tiger.
No, either one.
Okay, I go first. I go there. You go.
Oh, you're taking the lucky spot.
Mhm.
This spot.
I'll take this spot.
Oh, I'll take this spot.
Oh no! I'll take this spot.
The second card. That
Oh,
one,
you win! You pick that spot, you win. Oh, you win.
And that one, that one.
Oh, let's play one more game. One more game.
You know, Ryan might come.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Oh, he like a military airplane, Tiger.
Alright, let's go, 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 go.
You go first. I went first last time. So that one, I go here. Go here.
I got 2 ways now.
You could have won. You could have won that. You could have won, Tiger.
Nope, I got 2 ways now.
This one. Ah, you winner.
Wait, where'd the other one go?
Daddy lost.
I'll make it easier.
Okay.
Yeah, we both
Ooh,
win.
let's go. Check out the room. Ooh. Whoa! Look at that bedroom. It's huge. Wow, look at that view, Tiger. That's a beautiful view.
Ooh.
Yeah, oh, they got, that's like a picnic table there.
Ooh.
Wow, look at that. Wow, look at that. What happened?
Help! It's going up for sure.
Oh no, what happened?
For sure.
Tiger, look. Whoa, Tiger. Tiger. Oh, yeah, somebody. Let's go. We gotta go now. Go, 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 go. We gotta go from, you gotta jump from here.
No, there's nothing in here.
You gotta jump. There you go, Tiger. You got it? Here we go. Whoa.
Hey, one snap.
Whoa. Tiger. Where we at?
We're having to my backpack.
How you, okay. Are we here at, oh, how did we get to school? Let's go.
Then how do we get out of the car here?
I don't know. Let's go. We gotta go to school tomorrow. We'll be late for school. Wow, that was fun at Ryan's house, huh?
Yeah.
He got a lot of cool stuff. Yeah. We should go back again before we go to school next time.
Yeah.
The secret portal got us out here.
Good time.
Yeah. Tiger, what do you think about Ryan's house?
Good.
You got a lot of cool stuff?
Yeah.
What else you
Lot
like?
of cool
What else you like?
I think all of it.
Hey, well. Oh. Okay, Tiger. What you say?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, SuperBaby Colors. Make sure to subscribe and like me. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Have fun at school, Tiger.